Hey friend, this is Anil, and in this video we will learn how we can create a pop-up and how we can hide and show the pop-up. So once I will click on the add skill button, here you can see for adding the skill the pop-up is coming. And in this pop-up I have added two drop-downs, two pickers and one text box entry. I have not banded anything in this picker, but in my next video I'll add few entries in this drop-down, and I'll show you also how we can add and update grid view using the pop-up. Okay, so let's move on the Visual Studio and create a button. So here I will copy and paste the button, and on the click event we will show the pop-up. Okay, so let's add the pop-up code over here. So in this pop-up code, what I have did, I provided a name pop add skill view, and in this pop-up I have added an image. So on this image, once you will tap, the pop-up will be disappear, and here you can see the three entries. One is picker, two is picker, and one is simple text box entry. So let's move in the backend and add this event handler. So in this .cs page I will add both event handler. So in this one event handler, pop-up is visual equals to true and pop-up is visual equals to false. So I have to just save this .xml file, then this error will be disappear. Okay, one more thing, we have to add a image for just close the pop-up. Okay, so I will copy and paste the image in Android. So if you want to do the same thing in iOS, then you can add the image in iOS. Add this image. Okay, the image has been added. Oh, I excluded. Sorry, I excluded the image. You have to include this image in your solution. Fine. Just run this application again and see the output. So here you can see the button has been appearing. Just click on the add skill. So the pop-up is coming but not coming as expected. Okay, so for that what we have to do, we have to remove the absolute layout. Sorry, we have to remove the stack layout. Instead of the stack layout, we will put the absolute layout, and from here we will just add a absolute layout. And the two more important property is horizontal option and vertical option. Now check the pop-up. Just click on the add skill button and you can see the pop-up is coming as expected. Close this and open this. Close this. So I hope you like my video, and if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.